So I wanted to do a little bit of update on my personal build. 5700 XT, while I was really happy with it, I actually returned it, and that was because I was getting really bad crashes all the time, which are actually crashing my whole computer, and that is kind of inconvenient when I'm doing things like college work and stuff that I can't save. So I lost some work, and then I just decided it was time to return it. And so I decided that I'm going to get the 2070 Super, and yes, it's an extra $100 for probably only about 10% performance, but really for me, the stability and GeForce experience as a whole with its instant replay feature that actually works, because I tried the relive feature of AMD, and I just couldn't get it to work in games. The overlay wouldn't show up, whether I was in full screen or borderless. Obviously, the crashes, and there was just a lot of things that didn't really work for me. And I just felt like I have the money, the little bit extra money for the 2070 Super, and it's got the ray tracing, of course, which ray tracing, I guess you can really only use when you're on 1080p, but still it's a feature that the other card didn't have, and kind of consoles me about the extra money that I have to spend to get away from the crashing. And so right now I'm using a 1060 3GB, just one of the mini MSI versions, a little cheaper one. It was actually my girlfriend and her computer, but she let me use this one while she uses 950 I have sitting around. That way I can still play my games and she can still play hers. And so, in my advice for a consumer right now, I would not buy the 5700 XT if you can wait. I would wait until they buff out these issues, and when they do buff out these issues, I would completely recommend it over the 2070 Super, because for the $100 extra, 10% performance, it's not really worth it. That is not a good price to performance ratio. But right now, just the crashing, it's rough. So I'm going to do the 2070 Super. I kind of would recommend it right now for other people, but overall, if you can wait to get a graphics card right now, I would. And that's really all for this update. I wanted to add on to my personal rig, and that's all.